and gentlemen, welcome to Fairest Future. Today we are going to talk about understanding the Deadman Cleanliness Index in the blast furnace operation, which is very important. So, welcome to today's presentation where we delve into an essential metric for blast furnace operations, the Deadman Cleanliness Index or DCI. The DCI serves as crucial indicator of quality of coke used in blast furnaces, offering insight into potential challenges and optimizing furnace performances. At its core, DCI assesses the level of impurities such as ash and sulfur in the coke, gauging the likelihood of buildup and blockages in the furnace hearth. Coming to the calculation of DCI. As it is visible, the calculation of DCI is straightforward. It is derived by dividing the percentage of ash in the coke by dividing the percentage of ash in the blast furnace slag and then multiplying the result by 100. So we can say DCI is equal to percentage of ash in coke divided by percentage of ash in slag multiplied by 100. For instance, if coke has 10% ash content and the blast furnace slag has 20% ash content, DCI will equal to 10 divided by 20 into 100 is equal to 50. A DCI value of 50 in this example indicates relatively clean coke with a low risk of slag buildup in the furnace. Understanding the scale is vital. A DCI value of 50 to 60 is considered good, reflecting clean coke. However, a value below 40 suggests poor coke quality, leading to issues such as block to use, reduced productivity and increased fuel consumptions. In conclusion, regularly monitoring and maintaining the DCI in blast furnace operation is paramount for optimal performance and efficiency. Thank you for joining us today to unravel the significance of the Deadman Cleanliness Index. For more insight and updates, stay tuned and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, happy spelting. Thank you.